What's up, guys?
Hello.
So
Today I did not check the count.
I did a few minutes back.
What's the count?
It was something around 850.
Not thousands. This is so good.
No, not 1000. Around 850. And I read an article also regarding community spread. So they are saying that community spread is still not there because they have randomly tested almost 10,000 people and most of them were negative.
So what is this if it is not community spread? Thousands of people are not coming back
No,
to
but
India.
these people have somewhere or other met persons who have been affected.
So isn't that essentially what community spread is?
Community spread is when you don't even meet anybody who has come from outside and still you have it.
So ये thousands of लोगों को बाहर के मिलने से नहीं आया. मतलब you're saying that a person has gone out.
So
of
let's
India.
say if in Dharavi 10 people are positive.
Hmm.
So these 10 people somewhere or the other have come in contact with people who came from abroad. Understood?
A person abroad से आया है. B person को हो गया. बट बी पर्सन सी पर्सन से मिला तो सी पर्सन को नहीं होगा.
ऐसे बहुत कम केस मिले हैं.
आई जस्ट डोंट गेट इट. ए पर्सन जो अब्रॉड से आया है वो भी पर्सन ही है ना.
Check it. We are not here to discuss about
Okay, fine.
stages of
We'll
coronavirus.
discuss it tomorrow. I mean in the night and we'll come back with it
Right.
tomorrow. Okay. बोलो.
उसने it was a
क्या
Wednesday.
Babu cooked some good food today also.
It was not good at all. Yeah,
I liked it.
I did not like it.
Aloo gobi and little bit of capsicum.
I made paneer today.
I made paneer today. The paneer was delicious.
So from now onwards, we have decided that we'll be making paneer at home,
Oh.
so that
Because it is easy, it is quick, and it is cheaper, yaar.
cheaper
Plus
and
we
plus
know-
it is clean and
Plus
it
we
is
know that it is
original.
coming from, and we can make it anytime. We will have it fresh all the time.
Right.
Gondu. I always thought that making paneer at home is expensive, and that's why you buy it from outside.
No, it is not expensive at all. It is very easy. Maximum
है.
half an hour.
Easy तो है. गोंडिया. So, today, as usual, work from home. As usual, he was studying. Apart from this update,
So from today onwards, we have decided that we'll be setting up targets. So it may be weekly targets or anything sort of that, and we will be achieving those targets.
this
So
is like in sense of our studies.
No, not in sense of studies.
Then?
In sense of anything. Like let's say if we are planning to run, for example. So if we have to reach 21k, we can target 10k first, work
Okay,
onto it,
apart
and then
from running, which is not possible right now, apart from studying, I mean, running is not possible. So what else are we applying this to?
as in let's say my target is to save at least 1.5 lakhs in the next coming 6 months. So that is one target.
Got it.
Any sort of targets. I am feeling a bit weird in my throat. It
It
is.
will go away.
Yeah, it will go away, that I know. Maybe it is because of lack of sleep.
We also plan to sleep early now. बहुत हो गया यार. We sleep at like 1 and 2 nowadays.
1 and 2? We sleep at 3:34.
That's not me.
You slept yesterday at 3.
ऊत आला है ना.
वो तो मतलब
मुझे भी नहीं पता एक्चुअली. मम्मी बोलती है. ऊत मतलब ऐसा कुछ तो नया शौक चढ़ा है. Isn't he looking handsome? He's looking handsome.
So today we
beautiful.
ordered some milk
Items.
and bread,
Yeah, from Box 8.
from outside, and they delivered in 23 minutes. Can
That
you
was
believe it?
nice. We have bread in the house.
We have bread in the house, and you know, boss said did not used to deliver these stuffs, but because of
The current
the
situation,
current
they
situation,
adapted.
they started a new business line in which they are providing milk, bread, vegetables, rice, all the basic necessity items. So that is good. In 23 minutes you get it without any, you know, going out, and they charge only 30 rupees for delivery. That is the best.
I feel like having butter.
We can order butter from there.
I saw a video of churning butter today, and I was like, oh
We
my
can make
God,
butter
I
at
wanna
home.
have butter.
We can make butter at home.
सध्या तरी मला बाहेरचं खायचं.
ठीक है, you have it. I'll make for myself.
Okay, I'll have some.
Hmm.
I'll have some. I'll make good food, good butter, good paneer.
Hmm.
Okay, what else?
What else? We did
Okay.
not work out today. Now, okay, you want to add something?
So, like I said yesterday, बोलना है तुमको?
No, I think we have covered most of the part.
Why are you so anxious?
You want to start a video just to praise me or give them an update? Because since 9
Okay, I'm not
minutes,
serious about
since
this video.
9
I'm
minutes,
just like showing up with him.
since 9 minutes, you're just gulu. Why add something? These will be your memories and you will hear them out again.
Yeah, so this is also a memory. I find you cute all the time.
I know. But that you already know, and that is not something which will change. But this thing will change.
Yeah, you could go ugly someday.
So, okay.
जब तक तो क्यूट है तब तक मैं तुमसे प्यार करूंगी. Okay?
Okay.
उसके बाद घंटा टाटा बाय बाय. गोंडिया.
So I think that's it. Let's wrap it up.
Too much of love has created an awkward situation, and he wants to end it off as if like actually someone is behind the camera.
Nobody is behind the camera, yaar, because if we are done, then let's see.
आला मोठा ऊत आलाय पोराला.
Bye.